Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to tell you about the beauty of Maya point light. So let's get started. Go to create light, take a point light, move the light slightly up just here. Now open attribute editor, go to Windows, rendering editor, render setting, change it Arnold to Maya software. Now click render and see, render the current frame and see the effect. Change the color of the point light. This is point light shape 1. Change its color. See, now make it default white. Now if you deselect the illuminate by default, this will show no light. See, so click illuminate by default, this will show you the light effect. You can increase the intensity. Type here 3, click render and see the effect, and type here 10. See the effect of illumination or intensity. Now make it 2. Again render and see the effect. Now go down, light effect or decay rate, you can make it linear. Render and see the effect, the linear effect. Decay rate, if you make it no decay, this will show you this effect. But if you make it linear, this will show you this effect. Now render and see, change it to quadratic. Now render and see, change it to cubic. Render and see, cubic showing nothing, so make it no decay. This will show you the default point light effect. Now go to light effect, minimize the point light attribute. If go to light effect, fog type, you can change it to linear. Render and see to exponential. See, exponential. I put it to default normal. Now increase the fog radius, you can increase or decrease the fog radius, make it 3. Now render and see the effect or the fog intensity. Now go to light glow, click on this color checker box. This will automatically connect you to the optical effects. So here is active optical effects active. Now render and see the effect. See, you can change its color. See, glow attributes, you can change its color to this color. See, this will show you the sun effect. Now go up, glow type linear, you can change it to ball. Now render and see the effect. You can change it to lens flare. See the effect. Change it to rim halo. See the effect of point light. Now change it to default linear and halo type, make it linear and render and see the effect. See, change it to exponential. Now render and see. Change it to ball. Now render and see. Lens flare or rim halo. See the effect. See, this will show you the sun effect. See, select this one, move back. Now again render and see. You can change the radial frequency or star point, make it to linear. Now render and see, or none. See, here is 4 ray, 1 2 3 4. Now you can decrease it to 2, type here only 2, render and see. See, 1 and 2, and make it 1, just type 1. See, the ray, the point light ray is above, it is reflecting on the above direction. You can change it to its direction by typing the rotation value, type here 45. Now render and see. See, type here 145. See, this will showing you the house clearly. This time not clearly, but type here 170. See, the direction of the point light is changing. Now you can increase the glow intensity, glow noise, glow speed. Now see, this looks like burning effect. This show you the burning effect of point light. See, you can change the glow radial noise value or glow star value, label, glow opacity. Now this time render and see the effect. See, move the light. Now render and see the effect. Move back, render and see the effect of point light. This is the all about of Maya point light. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.